Hey, rail fans and model railroaders. Welcome back to another episode of Getting Back on Track with Steve. Now, Roxy's not here with me tonight because she's taking care of her family. So I'm running solo once again. So we thought what we do this week is do a year-end review. Now, we started this channel back in June 20th of 2024. So going just over 6 months. In that time, we managed to release 36 videos. We've had 8,000 views. And these have come from all over the world, not only US and Canada, but also across the pond to the UK and Netherlands, Taiwan, South Africa, Germany, and Australia. It just amazes me that so many people wanted to even watch anything that I'm doing. So we really thank everybody for that. But today, we've also gained 308 subscribers so far, which is incredible to me. I really thought when I started this, I'd have my family and a few friends that might subscribe and watch what we're doing. But we're really thankful for everybody that has. So all these folks have given us lots of love and encouragement as we've learned about model railroading, and we're attempting to build a large layout here in the basement. So let's go ahead and run some video and recap everything that we've managed to do this year. Hi, rail fans, how you doing? Oh my goodness, it's Barbie's dream layout. Well, there you go. As you can see, we learned a lot this year and the layout's looking pretty good. There's been a lot of real highs, so I've really enjoyed spending so much time with Roxanne working on this. It's a great thing for the two of us to be able to do together and interacting with all the people on the channel. But there's also been some real lows with the loss of my dad that you heard just last month. But we're going to work on past that this year, and we're going to see what we learn going forward. So what about this year's goals? What are we hoping to do? Well, one, we want to continue laying the cork in the track. We want to ensure that we have, by the end of the year, 2 continuous loops that we can be running trains around. So that means we're going to need to install the bridges in the River Falls area, but also the bridge work we need to do over the swing bridge. We'd like to be able to start on the scenery and structures. So we want to install some hills and mountains and get away from any kind of flat look on the terrain. We got some great ideas on that. And we want to learn how to do the water features. We got a river and some waterfalls we want to do. And then we're going to go to work on doing the ground cover and learning how to make a lot of trees. So I'm hoping to have a lot of trees on this layout. But I think another great goal for us is we'd really like to hit 500 subscribers by the end of the year. So if you'd like to, go ahead and spread the word and share our channel with your friends and other people you know that might be interested in this. It's been a great year for this, and we've really enjoyed doing these videos and working on the layout, and really enjoyed interacting with all of you. So here's hoping you guys all have a good 2025 with your families and working on your layouts and running your trains. And you make sure to hit that bell, like and subscribe, and you'll get notified next time we release a video. And we'll keep moving forward here and getting back on track with Steve. And Roxanne will be here. So we'll see you next time, guys. Bye.